1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
We came to the airport on time. So we are going to Hawaii. Oh, and we got cussed. Some lady thought I cut her in the line, and I literally didn't. She was like, I have a flight at 8:05. I have a flight at 8:05, and I was like, okay, well, I was just going in front of you because like you cut me, like I was standing there. She's like, no, you weren't. And I was like, I was, but all right. And then she was like, oh, yeah. And I was like, okay, well, do you like want to go in front of me? And she was like, no, it's fine. No, it's fine. I was like, okay. Then why did you bitch about it in the first place? People at airports are weird. It's Charlie's face all the time.
For your boarding passes, we ask you please have your logo or your boarding pass out and available.
Just so hesh of you. Charlie likes to walk around like he's kind of clueless a little bit. It's really cute. He's kind of clueless. But also very model-esque. Yeah, this is our little fucking rental we got. Look at how cute it is. Look at it. And we parked right behind the blue one. Nick just said that I might get misgendered, and I kind of understand why.
Is that a chicken?
See, now I understand why. Chicken. Also, it looks like we're in Washington because of the pine trees. Oh my god, that's weird. We're literally not at all. What's up, guys? We took like a little break from doing shit. What's the last thing we recorded? The last thing we recorded was we were in that Starbucks parking lot down the street. Oh yeah, we came to, instead of going to the Starbucks there, because I was gonna go there, we like drove a little bit farther, like 5 minutes away, and we found this like vintage shop and this like coffee place right next to each other. It's so cute! Surfer's Coffee. Surfer's Coffee, that's what it is. In Wahai. We're pronouncing that wrong. The coffee, so fucking good. And then we got a cookie. Everything. You're pronouncing that wrong. Everything so. I was. Rika Iris Makana. We're definitely pronouncing everything wrong. Ugh, this is a upside down pineapple cake or muffin. Phone died. Hey. Now, baby, your cat got on me. You got me doing funny things like a clown. Just look at me. When you wear your high-hole boots with your hip hugger suit, it's alright. You're out of sight. And you wear that cute mini skirt with your brother's sloppy shirt. Admit it, girl, that I can't do. I look like a little kid that just woke up. I look wired as fuck.
We want to go swimming.
We want to go swimming.
Look how pretty. How could you not?
How the fuck did we end up on the 30th floor? Look at this shit.
We're on the 30th floor.
Like, this is the tallest fucking building. Keep in mind, like, Megan and Chris got here and we were on the shittiest fucking... Not shittiest, this one wasn't the shittiest. But it was shittier than this.
It was like outdated.
It was just outdated. I would have stayed there, but like this is...
But this is like where we're meant to be.
We're meant to be.
And like, if we're coming to Hawaii, we might as well fucking stay.
Stay on the motherfucking Hawaii.
Oh, we're gonna fuck it up and not go over there.
We are going. We're walking to the waterfall.
Pretend like you're walking.
Me and the container going to the waterfall. That's insane. It does. Boop boop. Okay, bye. You a tree hugger? I was just trying to give the plants love. Welcome to my garden. Charlie got it. I planted this one yesterday. Yeah, grew really fast. Ow.
And then that one I planted like 3 years ago.
up. You got like.
This looks like we're. It's like a dog penis.
That's what I use for when I make my
when I'm not around.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look at him.
We go to waterfall.
Yeah, we do.
Waterfall. And we're gonna see the deadly frogs.
Yeah, we are. The deadly frogs, the poison. Hopefully they don't bite us. In our behind.
In the butthole.
In the butthole.
Mercy, mercy on me. Alright. When you wear those big earrings, long hair and things, you got style, girl, that show is wild. And you wear that cute trench coat and you're standing and posing. You got soul, you got too much soul. I just said to cockaboo, said to cockaboo, said to cockaboo. Now casting your spell on me.